Hello everyone, I'm Harsh. I'm today here. I'm here to present MRdataset. It's a tool for managing neuroimaging datasets. You know that there are like lot of diverse scanners, and um, each dataset has its own quirks and characteristics. And because they are generated in different various formats, depending upon which scanners and which protocols, depending upon the studies, and then we have multiple sites which add in even more variability. On top of that, there are software and hardware versions which are constantly evolving, which can add to the differences in data interpretation. So it leads to various challenges. First of all, to navigate this maze of neuroimaging data, researchers have to like rewrite scripts repeatedly, and it's not just time consuming, it also limits the accessibility to neuroimaging datasets. These redundant scripts can act as barriers, and which can also restricts our access to valuable data. So each data has a unique workflow, and customizing scripts to address the idiosyncrasies of each particular data sets is not a very good approach. The downside is evident is that the customized scripts is not reusable across different formats, especially with the different data organization on disk. So uh, uh, and when we are dealing with data directly, we also have to manually go through the data to identify which are the localizers, derived sequences, and pick out the auxiliary scans like scouts and navigator slices. And we have to, of course, like reformat data to fit it through our analysis pipeline. And the process can become very intricate and time consuming. So we need to make some innovative tools that can make this process easier and efficient, and therefore we present MRdataset, which offers a simple and consistent interface which simplifies neuroimaging data management. It's just a simple structure which provides uh, uh, you all the subjects uh, with respect to a particular sequence. It also provides subject level traversal. One can go through all the sequences, or can also go through sequences which are associated with each other, like uh, retrieving the resting state fMRI data along with their field map data for all the subjects and sessions in your dataset. So MRdataset provides a consistent and simple interface to organize subject sessions and sequences, and it makes data retrieval straightforward. Uh, Apart from providing a way to query your subjects and sessions, it also preserves the crucial acquisition parameters, preventing the loss of valuable metadata during data handling. Over and above, it also incorporates several validation checks so that the localizers and auto-generated sequences are skipped from your data analysis pipeline. And finally, it stores and preserves all the acquisition parameters, including their ranges and physical units. So this allows us to minimize ambiguity by offering structured, well-defined classes for all the acquisition parameters. For example, the field of view for Siemens and Philips scanners are represented in millimeters, and for GE scanners, it is represented in centimeters. Similarly, Siemens provides multiple sequences which can all create T1 weighted images like vibe, space, and MP range. So MRdataset captures all such important information so that you don't have to deal with the unit conversion. MRdataset is also very extensible and customizable. It gives full control to the user by allowing different kind of studies. If the sequence has uh, particular design, which it also allows us to capture multiple echo times for the same sequence and variable flip angles, and it can be tailored to your needs and preferences. So as I conclude the talk, I wanted to emphasize that MRdataset can promote productivity by streamlining data handling and analysis across diverse scanners and study designs. And MRdataset isn't just a theoretical concept, it is actively making a difference at our research center. MRdataset plays a pivotal role in ensuring protocol compliance through another package called MRQA. This deployment enables us for daily monitoring, ensuring that diverse neuroimaging studies adhere to their respective protocols and yield high quality data. Thank you.